Good morning, students. This English language assignment is for class 10. You will get this assignment on 26th April. So dear children, in this video, I will discuss D part of test paper 3. So the D part is rewrite the following sentences according to the instructions given after each. Make other changes that may be necessary but do not change the meaning of each sentence. Your first sentence is health is far better than wealth. And here you are told to use preferable. So using preferable, we can write the answer as, so our first answer is health is preferable. Health is preferable to wealth. Now we'll take up sentence number 2, that is, to know if I will succeed tomorrow is difficult. And here you are told to begin with it. So if we begin with it, our answer is going to be, it is difficult. It is difficult to know if I will succeed tomorrow or not. Now our third sentence is, the results surprised us. So the results is your subject, surprised is your second form of the verb, and us is your object. And this is an active voice and we are going to convert it into passive voice. And surprised is V2. So dear students, V2 becomes was or were in active and passive. Otherwise, we use preposition by, but seeing surprised, we can change the preposition. So now we'll write the answer for sentence number 3, that is, us will become we in the beginning, and using or seeing we as a subject, we'll use were. We were, third form of surprise is surprised. We were surprised at the results. Now we'll take up sentence number 4, that is, you would help me taking him to a hospital. And here you are told to begin with I would. So now seeing I would, we'll write it as, so now we'll take up sentence number 5, that is, he is too old for the job. And here you are instructed to remove TOO2. So dear children, this long sound 2, it can be replaced either with so, and at the place of for we can use that, and in the next part we can use cannot. But as single 2 is given, if we replace or remove this 2 and use very here and do not change the rest part of the sentence, that is also correct. So now we'll write the answer for sentence number 5. So as the sentence was, he is He is. So to we are going to remove with so. Old. For we are going to replace with that. That he cannot take the job. This is if we use the rule of transformation of sentences, and if we use so here, then it is mandatory to use that. Or the other part is, because as single to is given, so you can also write it as he is very old for the job, because single to is given, so this is absolutely correct. Now we'll take up sentence number 6. So sentence number 6 is, he took a bath and had breakfast. And you're going to begin with having taken. So it's clear, having taken a bath, he had breakfast. So now we'll write the answer for sentence number 6. So this is the answer. Having taken a bath, then place a comma, he had breakfast. Dear children, please add L in health. Now I saw, so I have added L to it. So now we'll take up sentence number 7, that is, he has suffered a great loss, yet he is cheerful. And here you are told to begin with though. So using though, we'll write it as though he has suffered a great loss, yet he is cheerful. So now we'll take up sentence number 8. Now we'll take up sentence number 8, that is, he whispered to Suzanne, comma, double inverted commas begin, I may never meet you here again. So dear children, you have to see this part is called reporting verb and this part is called reported speech. As two pronouns are used in reported speech, one is I and the other one is you. So I changes according to the subject of the reporting verb, that is he here, and you, which is a second person pronoun, it changes according to the object of the reporting verb. And may becomes might, and here will become there. So now we'll write the answer. So our answer is, he whispered to Suzanne that we have done the pronoun change, may has become might. He might never, meet will remain meet only, and seeing Suzanne, we have used her, or here has become there again, and then we'll put a full stop. So dear children, hope you are clear with the D part of test paper 3, and now you are going to have very strong basics as you are learning step by step, and this video is going to be useful for you. So this is all about D part of test paper 3. Thank you and have a great day ahead.